Hi, my friends. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Corey. I'm Corey, and I'm here today with another unbagging, and I believe this one is from VIP Crosstitch. So let's get into it. I may have to change that. I'm expecting 2 orders at this time, and I'm going to take a quick peek, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this is VIP Crosstitch. Hold on, and I'll get the information. This is too big for me to go through all at once. The lighting is horrible today. It's another cloudy, dreary day here in sunny South Texas. We don't have that many days in a row of this stuff, but apparently we do today. The first one that I have is a DIY cross stitch. When you order these, unless you order from the spring section or the Joy Sunday section, you don't know what brand you're getting. So, but this one happens to be a DIY cross stitch. It's a Christmassy one. It's bringing home the tree. It has a red barn, and there's a Christmas tree in the back of the pickup truck. I don't know what it is about that, but I've got diamond paintings of these kind of images, and now I've got cross stitches of these kind of images. They're so nostalgic and heartwarming, and they just capture my heart every time. And so I buy them. I can tell that this is where it closes and or opens. There we go. I got it. Got it. Now this one is a fairly large size, if I'm not mistaken. All the colors. Look, there's all kinds of colors in this one. We've got purples, browns, pink, greens, grays and blues, and lighter purples, and that's probably $9.39. I don't know. That's my guess. And pretty, and they are soft. DIY cross stitches are pretty good. Okay, this is going to be a 40 by 50. And there's the canvas. It is 11 count. It is not serged. I think that's one of the things I have about DIY cross stitches. Their patterns usually aren't serged. But you can read the pattern clearly. You can read it clearly on the canvas. I'm being a little more careful because I've noticed I glance at them and I say they're clear, but when I start to work them, it's a different story. As you can see, there's 2 needles right here attached to it, and this is the chart. The chart is smaller than the canvas, but it can read it clearly also, even though it is small. It's very legible. Anyway, I think that's going to be a very pretty, this is the thumbnail, and I'll show you the picture one more time. I'll show you the picture one more time. And that's the picture of what it will be when it's finished. There are 30 colors in it. 30 colors, and I will probably do this with 2 strands cross stitch. So that's my first one. And I'm not looking, I'm just going to put my hand in there and pull another one out. And we're going from winter to spring. This is an image. I have been seeing this with diamond paintings also. And I love birdhouses. I just love birdhouses. It is also a DIY cross stitch pattern. And very pretty. This has all these spring colors. And there's 25 colors it looks like. Completely different card from the other one. This one is also 11 count. The pastels, and then over here we have some bolder colors, probably for the rooftops of those birdhouses. But I think that's a very pretty color palette for spring. And let's look at this. Oh, this one's printed quite brightly. It is not serged. This one may be overprinted. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I hate it when they do the boxes. Cause see, like right here, I think this is a red square box with a white center. I think that's what that is. Heaven help if there's a red circle. Okay, and there's not. It's just a red square box. But anyway, I think I will still be able to read this well enough. It's like the colors kind of blur a little bit on this one, but it's obvious what the symbol is going to be, I think. And it's another smaller print for the pattern, but it is quite legible. And I can see it fine without magnifying it or anything. So, this one is also 50 by 40. I believe that's what the other one was. Yeah, 40 by 50, so. And this one, did it have the needles? Did I talk about the needles? Yes, it does have 2 needles right here. So that's that one. And you know what? I think I'll slip one more in. One more diamond painting in. Or not diamond painting. I didn't get any diamond paintings from VIP Crosstitch. They don't have them. And this one is a sandy lighthouse beach picture. And it is also DIY cross stitch. And they also don't want me to let me in here. Oh, got it. It just, there we go. Whoa, a cat just ran by. They're fighting over the top of that tower over there. Okay. These are the colors. Light colors with a few bold ones, darker. And here, this side has some browns. And it has some kind of a teal colors. Very pretty. Very pretty colors. There are 24 colors in this one. Oh, golly, I'm sorry. There are 24 colors. And, oh, the cats are going to get into it. I don't know what's going on with them. Here is the pattern. It is like the other one, very small. What I usually do is I take a copy of this and I'll make floss drops out of these, cut them out and turn them into stickers, and I make floss drops out of them. It is very clear, This chart is, even though it's small. And here is the pattern. I've got it upside down. Here's the, I don't know what the proper thing to call it. I call it a canvas. That's from diamond painting days. I guess it's technically the Ada, but it is the canvas that we're working with, so I'll call it canvas. This one is a 40 by 50. This one doesn't have the stitch count on here. I wonder if it does on the pattern. I haven't noticed that on the other ones either. No, it doesn't. But it's probably 130 by 172 or 3 is the stitch count. This one is very clear. I really like the way this one is printed. It's printed well. Even though this one has the boxes, it's printed clearly so you can tell what the boxes are. So it also has these 2 needles on it. So that's it. I've gotten the Lighthouse pattern, the birdhouse pattern, and the I don't know, the Christmas bring home the tree pattern. And so that's it for this video. If you stay tuned, I believe there's about 3 more, and I'll be posting another video. Thank you for joining me for the Diamond Painting Effect with Corey. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I forgot to tell you the prices I paid on these. And I don't have that information. I'm going to need to go look it up. But by the time you see this on the video, I'm going to have the prices placed on top of each one. With the lighthouse, the birdhouses, and the bringing home the tree. I will put that up there. That will be the prices that they are at this time if they are still available. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next one. I also need to note that it was buy 4, get 1 free. So I don't know which ones I actually paid for. I got a total of 6 in the package. So I only paid for 5 of them. So take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.